I'll make a short, easy video. It's a 2007 F-150. Had a p1235 fuel pressure sensor code and a p1235 fuel control module code. Here's what you're typically going to find with those two codes. It's a fuel pump driver module or a fuel integrated control module. This is the original one. You see how it's corroded out. Water gets in circuit board. I say everything probably gets in circuit board. Here's what I replaced it with. It's from Dorman. I got it at Advance. It was like $105. There's your part number. The new one comes with some rubber grommets that spaces the module away from that. It's like a support beam. It goes from frame to frame. That's what it bolts on. I'll show you here in a second. It's got two 8mm bolts. Here's the ratchet I used. Got a swivel head on it. I didn't want to drop the spare tire. 8mm, and the new bolts were 12. Let me show you where this is at. You can see it. You can see it in between the bed and the frame. That's where I stuck my hand through to unbolt it. Or you can go in between the spare tire and the frame. You can see it right there. You can see how the new rubber bushing spaces away from that cross beam that goes across in front of the charcoal canister. You can drop the spare tire, but I didn't want to attempt it. I didn't want it to be laying on the ground and not be able to get it back up. Like I said, that's for the code p191 and p1235. If you have a F-150 that's stalling out, running rough, fuel pressure still staying up where it needs to be. Look at that. I mean, just go look at your fuel control module, see if it's corroded. It'd be a good place to start. Do not replace the fuel rail pressure sensor. I've not done very many of those for this issue. Hey, like and subscribe to my page. Let's get my followers up. And just come back, check my videos out. Thanks, guys.